Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel nomination of your SBI India account. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, because it's a kind of confidential information too when you show these things. So instead of making it a live video, I'm showing you in the screenshot format step by step. So when you log in into your account, on right hand side, you see this option request and inquiries in the top strip of options, as you can see in this screenshot. You need to click on it. Then it shows you this section request and inquiries. So you see this online nomination that I have selected. Click on that. It will come to this place where you'll see register nomination, and it will also display your accounts, account type, branch. So in order to cancel a nomination, click on cancel nomination. Then it will again confirm with you to cancel the nomination by sending a one-time password to your phone number. Once you do that, the nomination is cancelled. Now, you should not leave the nomination blank because that's not a good idea. And after that, you should uh, after you cancel nomination, you should through the same steps you should register nomination too, so that uh, so that the nomination like is active on your account. Like you should not cancel and just leave it. That's what, guys. So remember this section, go for cancel nomination and then get it done. All right. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.